How to uninstall programs on Windows 11 completely. I know most of you guys have tried uninstalling programs, but sometimes they either don't uninstall or leave leftover registry files. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get rid of them. How to uninstall apps on Windows 11 completely. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/11/stall.html and you want to hit enter. You want to wait for this site to load and you want to press on app remover once the site loads. Now this is going to redirect you to Revo Uninstaller's website. From here you want to just press on free download and you want to press on free download once again and it's going to start installing on your computer. How to uninstall apps on Windows 11 Microsoft Store. Once it's done downloading from the website, this is what you're going to see. From here, you want to press on it. You want to press on yes. And you want to press on OK to the English language. You want to go I accept the agreement. And you want to press on next, next, and next once again. And you want to press on install. And you're going to wait for Revo Uninstaller to install on your computer. How to uninstall apps on Windows 11 that won't uninstall. Revo Uninstaller is done installing on your computer. This is what you're going to see. From here, you're going to select a program that you're going to uninstall. For me, it's going to be BlueStacks. And you can see up here that there's an uninstallation option here. You're going to press on uninstall. And you can see here's make a system restore point. You can choose to make a restore point if you want. For me, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to uncheck this. If you want to, you can do that. So here, I'm just going to press on continue. And it's going to start asking you to uninstall from BlueStacks. You just want to press on uninstall and you want to confirm it. Now BlueStacks is going to start uninstalling. It's going to be very quick. It says completed and you'll press on completed. Now you can choose to scan files. You can choose to scan files so that each and every file that this program had on your computer can be deleted. I just wanna select save and I'm gonna scan this so that my computer does not have any residual files from BlueStacks that's left. As you can see, my computer found a lot of files that were still on my computer after deleting BlueStacks. So I'm just gonna select all and I'm gonna press on delete. Are you sure? You wanna press on yes and it's now deleted. This is how you uninstall apps on Windows 11 that won't uninstall. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, join the Discord down in the description.